If you want to select sheets that are not next to each other, hold Ctrl and click each sheet tab you want to include. To select all sheets together in Excel, click the first sheet tab, then hold Shift and click the last sheet tab. This selects every sheet in between. To unselect all sheets, simply click on any sheet tab that is not part of the current selection. If all sheets are selected, you can also right-click any sheet tab and choose Ungroup Sheets. To modify a cell in all sheets, first select the sheets together by holding Shift for consecutive sheets or Ctrl for separate sheets. Once the sheets are grouped, any change you make in one sheet, such as typing text, applying formatting, or inserting a formula, will be applied to the same cell in all the grouped sheets. After making the changes, click any sheet outside the group or right-click a sheet tab and choose Ungroup Sheets to return to normal editing.